Hello. Welcome to my channel. They say wealth is not just about luck, but about the habits we cultivate. Have you ever wondered what habits can pave the way to riches? In this intriguing video, we'll explore 15 powerful habits that can transform your financial journey. Get ready to uncover the secrets to wealth and prosperity. Are you ready to unlock your financial potential? Let's dive in. Number 1. Setting clear financial goals. Successful individuals know exactly what they want to achieve financially. They set specific and achievable goals, whether it's saving a certain amount, investing in assets, or starting a business. Having clear financial goals provides direction and motivation to make the right choices. Number 2. Practicing smart budgeting. Rich people are mindful of their money. They create and stick to a budget, allocating their income wisely. By tracking expenses and making conscious spending decisions, they can prioritize savings and investments, ensuring long-term financial success. Number 3. Investing in knowledge. Wealthy individuals understand the value of knowledge in building wealth. They invest in financial education, learning about investing, entrepreneurship, and personal finance. By continuously expanding their knowledge, they make informed decisions and seize opportunities. Number 4. Living below means. Rich people avoid overspending and living beyond their financial capabilities. They prioritize frugality and practice delayed gratification. By avoiding unnecessary expenses and saving diligently, they accumulate wealth over time. Number 5. Embracing financial discipline. Wealthy individuals exercise discipline in managing their finances. They avoid impulsive purchases, stick to their financial plans, and stay focused on their long-term goals. This discipline allows them to build wealth steadily. Number 6. Diversifying income sources. Rich people understand the importance of multiple streams of income. They explore various opportunities, such as investments, side businesses, or passive income streams. By diversifying their income sources, they create stability and grow their wealth. Number 7. Seeking financial advice. Successful individuals surround themselves with financial experts and mentors. They seek guidance on investing, tax planning, and wealth management. By learning from professionals, they make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Number 8. Building networks and connections. Wealthy individuals understand the power of relationships. They build strong networks, connecting with like-minded individuals and industry experts. These connections open doors to opportunities, collaborations, and valuable insights. Number 9. Taking calculated risks. Rich people are not afraid to take calculated risks. They carefully assess opportunities and make informed decisions. By taking strategic risks, they can unlock high rewards and accelerate their wealth-building journey. Number 10. Saving and investing early. Wealthy individuals understand the power of compounding. They start saving and investing early, allowing their money to grow exponentially over time. By making their money work for them, they harness the potential of long-term wealth creation. Number 11. Continuously monitoring finances. Rich people are vigilant about tracking their financial progress. They review their investments, monitor cash flow, and stay updated on market trends. By staying informed, they can make timely adjustments and optimize their financial strategies. Number 12. Leveraging technology. Successful individuals embrace technology to manage their finances efficiently. They use online banking, budgeting apps, investment platforms, and automation tools. By leveraging technology, they save time, streamline processes, and make smarter financial decisions. Number 13. Giving back to society. Wealthy individuals understand the importance of philanthropy. They contribute to charitable causes and make a positive impact on society. By giving back, they create a legacy beyond financial success. Number 14. Staying persistent and resilient. Rich people face challenges but maintain a resilient mindset. They persevere through setbacks, learn from failures, and stay determined on their path to wealth. This resilience ensures they bounce back stronger and continue their journey to success. Number 15, gratitude and abundance mindset. Wealthy individuals appreciate what they have and cultivate an abundance mindset. They focus on opportunities rather than limitations, attracting wealth and abundance into their lives. By practicing gratitude, they attract more reasons to be grateful. And there you have it. 15 powerful habits that can pave your way to riches and financial abundance. Remember, wealth is not just about luck, but about the habits we cultivate. It's time to unleash your financial potential and embark on a journey towards riches. Together, let's build a future of prosperity and financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance and wealth building strategies. Thank you for watching.